Hello friends, I'm Dikshit. Today I'm going to play with Stunt Garage. I have so many cars. Look at this. And the cars are colorful. The Stunt Garage actually has a lift. If you want to push it up like this, you hold this here and you can push it up like this and down. And why these holes are here? Because if you want to keep the car, the wheels will get stuck in those holes, so it will be steady. And you push it up like this, and you push the car like that, and see, whoa, like this, and it will come like this. See? And this blue one here, you can actually do like this and this, because the car when it comes here, it will go like this, and if you do it like this, the car will go like this, and it will stop there and it will go back. And there's a gas station over here. This yellow one, you need to fix it here so the car won't go out of the track, and it will stop here. And you take this out, you can take this out and put the gas like that. After you're done, you fix it back like that and push the car. And why this yellow thing is here, you can actually close it and open it. If you want to close it, push it like this down. And if you want to open it, you see this, you have to push it up, and it will see, it came like that. And you can also park the cars here. I'll show you 1 minute. Whoa! Like this, you can park the cars. Like that. You can park it here. Also, there's it shows you 1, 2, 3, 4. That means this is first floor, second floor, third floor here, and the fourth floor. You can also park the cars all in the floor, all the floors. There's some space to park the cars. And you can also park in the side like this. I'll show you. Like this. Whoa. Like that. See? You can also park on the side. Now I'm going to keep one car here, and I'm going to push it. Whoa! Okay, I'm going to do that again. That was actually so cool. Whoa! That went so fast. Okay, I'm going to try this blue car. And this car will go really fast. Look, whoa! Oh, it flipped and it crashed and it and when it's going to go out of the track, it fell there. Now I'm going to try the brown car. I'm going to try this brown car. 3, 2, 1, go! Whoa! That went fast. Okay, I'm going to try this black car, and this car looks awesome. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go! Whoa! Oh, it flipped and it crashed there. Whoa! Friends, look. Okay, now I'm going to try these cars. I'm going to try this golden car, and it looks awesome. It has like flames. 3, 2, 1, go! Whoa! Which one should I try next? I'll try this one. This red car. 3, 2, 1, go! Whoa! That one was awesome. Now I'm going to put the cars in the lift. I'm going to put the red car. Yes. Now I'm going to pull it up to the 4th floor. Now I'm going to push the car. Whoa! That went so fast. Okay, now I'm going to park the cars and I'm going to lift the cars one by one. Okay, let's start parking the cars. Let's park this car here, this one here, this one here, and this one here. And let's park this in the 2nd floor. Now let's park it. Yes, now the last floor, the 1st floor. I need to park the 1st floor and the side. I need one more car. Let's take this one. And this is awesome. And this is a race car. Now let's park in the side. first. Whoa! Oh, that went awesome! Whoa! That went so good. Now I'm going to push the yellow card. Go! Yay! Oh, that didn't flip. That went nice and correct. Now, whoa! I didn't even push it. Okay, now let's try that again. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go! Whoa! It landed here. Let's try this silver. 3, 2, 1, go! Whoa! This car pushed the golden one and it almost fell on the table. Whoa! And that went so fast. And that's why it pushed the golden car far. Okay, let's push. Now let's put the ground. Oh, it got stuck when it's going like this. Like it's going like this and it like flipped in the last second and it got stuck there. Okay, let's try in the second floor. Let's try the green. Whoa! This red car. Go! Go! Whoa! That car went so fast. That one gone incredibly fast. Let's try this dinosaur car. Go! Oh, it stopped here. Let's try this white car. 3, 2, 1, go! Whoa! It like came like this and it flipped on the back and it came like this and it came and it did a skid. Whoa! That car was insane. Let's try this brown car. 3, 2, 1, go! Let's see. Oh, I landed here. Okay. Let's try this white car. Go! The bucket car. Whoa! Jumped off the track. Oh, it flipped there. I have so many cars. Whoa. Can you see this? We have so many cars. Now let's start in the first floor. Oh, it looks like Captain America car. Look. Now I'm going to get. Okay, that went good. Let's try this one. Oh, it like flipped there and it's landed. Let's try this one. It got stuck there. Oh, that thing, this car got stuck like here. Got stuck there. Okay, let's try a different car. Let's try this golden one. Oh, it flipped. And it was going and flipped. Oh, that's it. Now let's try in the side. First, let's try this one. This one is awesome. This car is awesome. Go. So it like jumped and it flipped and it came here. Let's try this blue car. Three, two, one, go! Whoa! Let's do this car. Let's try this dark green car. 3, 2, 1, go! Whoa! It like came like here, it flipped like this and it turned back here. Whoa! That car was awesome. Now I'm going to try this sportier car. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, that is a little slow. Let's try the Iron Man car. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, it got stuck. It got stuck there. Okay, let's try the other car. Let's try this black car. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, it got stuck. It got like stuck here and then it comes straight down and it stopped there. Okay, this is the last car. It's the silver one. 3, 2, 1, go! Whoa! It like pulled the green car and like this. Now I'm going to keep the silver car in the lid and I'm going to pull it up and I'm going to push last time and whoa. Okay, now I'm going to do this. Now I'm going to push it. 3, 2, 1, go! Yes! Whoa! Friends, I have so many Hot Wheels cars. Look. Whoa. See, I have so many of them. And it's so colorful. I enjoy playing with Stunt Garage. Hope you enjoyed my video. Bye. See you in the next video. Mwah!